Some chase sunsets on a quiet bay. Some hear the ocean calling far away. Some dream of Marlin running wild and free. Some just want a place for family. From little boats that launch with ease to proud yachts dancing with the breeze. Every vessel tells a story of its own, waiting for the day it's taken home. There's a boat for every dream, every harbor, every stream, every family, every friend, every journey without end. From first-time buyers to seasoned seagoing souls, from weekend escapes to distant goals. Whatever your course, wherever you roam, there's a boat waiting to take you home. Shining launches built for comfort and style, trailer boats that carry smiles for miles, sailing yachts with stories in their sails, ready for adventures beyond the trails. Big or small, simple or grand, crafted by the finest human hands, each one holding memories yet to be made across blue horizons and sheltered bays. There's a boat for every dream, every harbor, every stream, every family, every friend, every journey without end. From first-time buyers to seasoned seagoing souls, from weekend escapes to distant goals. Whatever your course, wherever you roam, there's a boat waiting to take you home. 60 stories lined up side by side, each with a future, each with a tide. A chance to explore, a chance to be free, a chance to discover life upon the sea. And when the perfect one catches your eye, you'll know the reason why. The sea keeps calling through every passing day, inviting you to cast your lines away. There's a boat for every dream, every harbor, every stream, every budget, every plan, every woman, child and man. From coastal cruising to oceans untold, from treasure classics to vessels bold at Parker Marine. Your story can start with the perfect boat to capture your heart. So take the helm and feel the breeze, follow the call across the seas. Your next adventure is closer than it seems, because there's a boat for every